All right, example 2, solve 81m squared minus 25 equals 0 by factoring. Again, it asks us to do it by factoring. Let's go ahead and do it that way. 81m squared is a perfect square. 25 is a perfect square. They're being subtracted, equals 0. 81, the square root is 9. M squared, the square root is m. So if it's a couple perfect squares multiplied together, just square root both pieces. So 9m times 9m makes 81m squared. 5 times 5 makes 25. We do one sum and one difference, so we get the positive or negative 5 to make the negative 25 product we're looking for. And if 9m plus 5 equals 0, we move the 5 over, that gets me 9m equals negative 5. So we can divide by 9, we get m equals negative 5 ninths. If 9m minus 5 equals 0, we start by moving the 5 over, we get 9m equals positive 5. We divide both sides by 9, we get m equals positive 5 ninths. So m equals negative 5 ninths, positive 5 ninths. Okay. And that is not an ordered pair, that's just a couple of numbers, so the order that you write them is not irrelevant. So if you put positive 5 ninths, kind of negative 5 ninths, or vice versa, it means the same thing. As opposed to an ordered pair, like when x equals y equals, you have to put an x by order. M equals both of those numbers make the equation true. And again, if we did it the other technique, 81m squared minus 25 equals 0. Just make sure that you verify that the technique is legal. By verifying the technique is legal, you're going through the thought processes necessary to know when it's possible to do it. I got a quadratic term, no linear term, and a constant equal to 0, so it's legal to do it this way. Move the 25 to the other side, it becomes positive 25. Divide both sides by 81. M squared equals 25 over 81, so m equals the square root of 25 over the square root of 81. We have to put a plus or minus in front of it. Same answers. Take your pick. I don't care how you get the right answer to these problems. Use a technique that's legal and use your brain while you're doing it. Give me the right answers and know how to do it all the time.